Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Google Drive. So guys, at first go to your Google Drive. Then tap on the plus icon. Tap on upload. Now simply tap on the videos you want to upload. So I am selecting this one. So guys, as you can see, it has started uploaded, and after a few minutes later your video will be uploaded. And now your video has been uploaded. So that's it, and that's how you can upload your videos on Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.